point of giving?
Patiently listening to honorable leader of opposition. They're patiently listening, but the words.
I'm not yielding, sir.
No, but you are saying shameful. You are saying nonsense.
Nonsense. So
When the finance minister replies in the evening, the leader of opposition should listen to the reply of the honorable finance minister. My request is, please use the word whatever you choose to use, but don't make it abusive. It doesn't.
Nonsense. जो nonsense आपने use किया, तो कार्रवाई का हिस्सा नहीं बनेगा. Nonsense is not appropriate. I did not use nonsense. You have used. Okay, so I won't use nonsense. Please. Sir, ashamed is not an abuse. There's nothing. In saying, are you not ashamed? There is no abuse. No, ashamed you can use. I am just stating. Whatever you have forgotten, I think so. I am saying, Speaker sir, I am saying that you have sold India. Are you not ashamed of selling India? Do you have no shame of selling India? You have sold our mother, Bharat Mata. Do you have no shame? But sir, the interesting thing is, I know that the Prime Minister would not sell India under normal circumstances. He will not do it. You know why he sold India? Because they are choking him. Mr. Rahul, address to the chair, please. He has sold India because they are choking him. They've got a grip on his neck. स्पीकर साहब, मैंने बोला जब चोक लगाते हैं दूसरे व्यक्ति के आंख में देखते हो तो डर दिखता है. सर, पीएम की आंख में डर दिखता है. दिख रहा है सर आंख में आंख नहीं मिला पाते हैं. स्पीकर साहब, सर दो चीजें हैं सर. एक सर एप्स्टीन केस. सर 3 million files are still locked up. इसका इस विषय से कोई संबंध नहीं. I will not allow you. आप कौन होते हैं? आप बैठिए. देखिए, आप लगातार आपको 25 मिनट हो गया, किसी ने डिस्टर्ब नहीं किया. ओके सर, वो एप्स्टीन की बात नहीं कर रहा. नॉट रिलेटेड विद द बजट. ओके सर, I will not allow that. I am not saying Epstein. Speaker sir, at the center of our budget, if you look carefully, at the center of our budget, like I said, जुजित्सु में ग्रिप दिखती है, राजनीति में ग्रिप चोक नहीं दिखता. At the center of our defense budget is a choke applied by Mr. Adani. So I'd like to talk about Mr. Adani and the case in the United States against Mr. Ambani, because that is a central part of the budget. इस हाउस के कोई सर्विस नहीं दिखते. आप आरोप लगा रहे, कैसे सवाल किसी पे माननीय लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन आप लिख करके दे सकते हैं. अगर आप जिस तरह का आरोप लगा रहे हैं, स्पीकर सर, आप नियम 352, 5 और 354 को भी जानते हैं कि आप उनका नाम ले सकते हैं, लेकिन जिस तरह से आप एक मतलब हायर अथॉरिटी को या प्राइम मिनिस्टर को या सरकार को नहीं सर उनके साथ जोड़े. बोलने को आप नियम जानिए. आप सर अडानी जी जो है, आप अपने बजट तक सीमित हो. ये देखिए, आप जो भी चाहे अपनी बात कहें, आप अपनी बजट पे बात कहें. बजट कर रहा हूँ सर, बजट पे आलोचना आप मुझे करने दीजिए. आपको बिल्कुल आप बैठिए, बेनी बनेंगी. आप अपनी बात जो कह रहे हैं वो कहिए, लेकिन जब किसी का नाम लेकर के और किसी हायर अथॉरिटी को, तो आप ये सरल नियमों से चलेगा और आप इस तरीके से आरोप नहीं लगा सकते सरकार को. सर, मिस्टर अदानी is not an ordinary businessman. Mr. Adani's company is not an ordinary company. Please understand that the case in the United States is targeted at the Prime Minister of India, not at Mr. Adani. नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. आप इस तरीके से बिल्कुल जो आप ये कह रहे हैं, कहाँ क्या बात आप कर रहे हैं? It is targeted, sir, at the financial network of the BJP, at the financial architecture of the BJP. Leveling charges against higher authorities, and only you can speak.
श्री रविशंकर प्रसाद जी, क्या है पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर? पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर क्या है? पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर क्या? व्हाट इज योर पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर?
बिल्कुल,
व्हाट इज योर पॉइंट?
गलत बयानी करना क्या मतलब नहीं है, स्पीकर इस बात है।
श्री प्रहलाद जोशी जी, किरण रिजिजू जी,
हम लोग ने बात था, हम लोग शांति
पार्लियामेंट्री अफेयर्स मिनिस्टर, पूरा सदन सुन रहा है। पार्लियामेंट्री अफेयर्स मिनिस्टर साहब, इनको
हम आपको डिस्टर्ब नहीं करना चाहते हैं, बट वेन यू आर लेवलिंग सीरियस चार्जेस without any reason, without any backing of substance, without any proof, you are just making any wild allegation.
I'll give you a reason.
That will diminish your own position.
I'll give you a reason. I'll give
You
you a
are
reason.
leader of the opposition.
Okay.
Please make substantive point.
Yes,
We
I
are
will.
here to listen to your suggestion.
I will.
If you give good suggestion, we will listen.
Yeah, I will.
We are here to listen, but don't make wild allegation.
I will. Speaker sir, there is a businessman called Mr. Anil Ambani. I want to ask the question, why is he not in jail? The reason he's not in jail is because his name is in the Epstein files.
एक तो
That's why he's not in jail.
राहुल जी, जो भी
I'd also like to ask Mr. Hardeep Puri, who introduced him
मिस्टर चेयर,
to Epstein.
मिस्टर राहुल,
I know who introduced him.
आप एक बात मेरी सुन लीजिए पहले, कि चाहे आप अनिल अंबानी, मैं कह रहा हूँ, मैं अनिल
Sir, I
अंबानी
know who introduced him.
जो जिस
And
तरीके
Mr.
से
Hardeep Puri knows who
आप जो
introduced him.
चार्जेज लगा रहे हैं,
We both agree.
वो इस सदन का सदस्य नहीं है, चाहे वो अनिल अंबानी
हरदीप पुरी है, सर।
रानी हो,
Hardeep Puri is a member of parliament here.
आप जो चार्जेज लगा रहे हैं उसको सफाई करने का अवसर नहीं मिलेगा, उसको
He's a minister, sir.
उसका नाम नहीं लिया जाता। और आप एक बार इसको पढ़ लीजिए, ए मेंबर while speaking shall not refer to any matter of fact on which a judicial decision pending may make a provisional and for use offensive expressions about the conduct of proceeding of the parliament in any state, reflect on any determination of the house examination and reflect upon the conduct of persons in high authority unless the discussion is based on its examination. तो प्लीज आप जिसका नाम है उसका नाम न लें। पॉइंट आउट
I am on Rule 352, Clause Roman 5.
श्री रविशंकर जी,
While he speaking, reflect upon the conduct of persons in high office authority under discussion is based on a substantive motive drawn in terms of proper terms. अभी मैंने प्राइम मिनिस्टर का नाम लिया, मंत्रियों का नाम लिया, has he made any substantive motion? नहीं है तो रिजेक्ट करिए। It is completely against the rule.
नहीं, अब मेरी बात सुन लीजिए, एक बात मेरी सुनिए, उन्होंने 352 कहा है, लेकिन मैं नहीं, सौगत राय जी नहीं, मैं राहुल जी आपका 353 की तरफ कर रहा हूं। आपने एक भारत सरकार के मिनिस्टर का नाम लिया एंड यू हैव लेवल्ड द चार्ज अगेंस्ट हिम। If you go through the rule 353, no allegations of a defamatory or incriminatory nature shall be made by a member against any person unless the member has given adequate advance. Hey, you have leveled the charges against him. So please, being a leader of opposition, I think so. Notice, then adequate advance notice. Then you can mention the name of any minister. And if you have, आप बैठिए, नहीं ऐसे देखिए, नहीं, whatever Rahul has made allegation that will not go on the record, and now you can speak. One minute, sir, you have made allegation. You have made allegation that will not go on the record.
Agree, sir. But Rule 352 is only applicable for leader of opposition.
No, I am reading 352.
1 minute, sir.
352.
1 minute, sir. Rule 352 mentioning about Ravishankar Prasad ji raised the issue. In that house 2 days before, a member has given a very derogatory remarks against the former Prime Minister. Two former Prime Minister. Where was this Rule 352?
Applicable to everybody, not only for him, not only for him. Please communicate it. That is applicable for him. Rahul Gandhi.
Speaker sir, Anil Ambani is not a member of the House. He's not. So I can speak about Anil Ambani. He's a defense, he's involved in defense, sir. He's involved in defense, he's involved in defense budget.
Leave name and industry. To explain his, whatever you are leveling charges against him, so I think so you will not take. Please.
So there is a certain businessman
Yes.
whose name has appeared in Epstein files, and that businessman is not in jail. That businessman has criminal cases against him.
The subject. What file you are taking? No, no, Epstein file. No, 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 no. How I can allow you? No. No, you are mentioning how if any file, if any subject is not related with the budget, you can't speak. Please, you can't speak. You can't speak. Rahul, you.
So I will tell you what. I will.
आप
Sir, I will
बजट पे ठीक ट्रैक पे थे अब क्यों
I will-
ट्रैक से जा रहे बाहर because you were on right track you were
Speaker, sir.
absolutely on right track
Sir, Speaker, sir.
why you are just
Speaker, sir, you are ex-Congress party member, so I will do you a special favor today, sir.
नहीं
I will back down.
ये चार्ज है ना ये भी कार्रवाई खिस्सा नहीं बनेगा मैं अगर आपको if you don't have any propriety for the chair if you don't have sometime your even present member of parliament used to occupy this chair Selja is also for
Speaker, sir,
and
you know we know you have fondness for you.
Speaker,
You are an ex-member of our party, so I will not go very aggressive today.
why you are mentioning too much
You are a member of our party, sir. Ex-member.
ex-member na but
we are fond of you, sir.
I'm here as a presiding officer
But we like you, sir.
अगर हमारी बात आप
We know
मानते
your
हैं
heart is not there, sir.
अगर आप मेरी
We know your heart is here, sir.
नहीं मेरी बात अगर आप मानते तो वहां नहीं बैठे होते आप अगर if you are sitting there तो only because of you have not taken my advice here I'm advising you here if I'm advising that you should move on the correct track so I think so still you have time to you should move on correct track
As today, as you are so in the spirit of our conversation, I will not say the name Epstein and I will not say the name Anil Ambani and I will not say the name. No, I will not say so.
you are a leader of opposition okay
Or sir, let me speak, sir.
please I think so
I will not do it, sir.
the whole nation is watching you
I know. I know that. That's why I'm saying it, sir.
on one side you are saying I will not mention the name again you are mentioning the name
I'm saying
I
I will
think you
mention.
are not ready to avoid the please
Okay, anyway. So I will not go into the names. But I would like to say,
I think so you have to speak only on budget अरे बैठिए किसी आप बजट पे बोलिए ना there is a general discussion on the union budget for
Okay, sir, let me speak.
27 okay. So I think
nice. So, Speaker sir, so I will avoid that.
अब तो आप नहीं कहेंगे उस दिन आपने उनको बोलने तो दीजिए सर
So, the point is that I do not believe that any Indian Prime Minister, including Mr. Modi, would sign such a deal unless there was a chokehold on him. So, I do not, sir, this budget that you have,
So you and your member have believe that day, then Piyush Goyal had made a statement on the floor of the house.
सर मुझे आप कंक्लूड तो करने दीजिए सर
चलिए
मैं तो यहाँ 2-3 और घंटे लग जाएंगे सर
ओके थैंक यू
आप चाहते हैं तो मैं लगा देते हैं सर
नहीं काइंडली कंक्लूड
So, we have buckled on tariffs. We have handed out our data, given up control over digital trade rules, no data localization, free data flow to USA, limit on digital tax, no source code disclosure, and 20-year tax holiday. The most valuable asset that India has and will ever have has been handed over. Our farmers have been left to the mercy of mechanized, massive American farms. Our textiles have been wiped out. Bangladesh now is going to wipe out our textile industry. Our energy security has been handed over. We can't buy oil from who we want to buy oil from. Now, I don't believe any Indian Prime Minister would do this. Logic ही नहीं है सर. लॉजिक नहीं है सर. ये जो हुआ है सर, ये पूरा सरेंडर है. सर आपने ज्यादा बोलने दिया मुझे आज. सर आपने मुझे थोड़ा ज्यादा जाने दिया आज. बात आ गई. तो दिस इज अ होलसेल सरेंडर and it is a tragedy because it is a surrender not just of the Prime Minister. He has surrendered the future of 1.5 billion Indians. And he has surrendered the future because he wants to protect the BJP's financial architecture on which there is a case in the United States. He has surrendered. I'm not saying anything.
आप रिपीट बार एक चीज का हम रिपीट कर रहे हैं. हमने शुरू से सर आप लोग बैठिए ना, ये बोल सकते हैं. बोलने दो. इसको कोई रूल मालूम नहीं है, पीछे से खड़े हो जाते हैं बिना मतलब का. इनका डिस्टर्ब करते हैं. सर आपने
मिस्टर राहुल
सर
बीइंग ए पार्लियामेंट्री अफेयर मिनिस्टर ही से
मेरा एक पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर जो आपने रूलिंग दिया है, मैंने तब भी कहा, राहुल गांधी जी ने बार बार रिपीट किया. हमने फिर भी कहा कि आप नेक्स्ट सब्जेक्ट पे जाइए, हम लोग सुनने के लिए बैठे. आप फिर से रिपीट किया. दो तीन मुद्दे आपने प्रधानमंत्री जी का नाम लेकर के आप जो शब्द इस्तेमाल किया और जो आपने एलिगेशन लगाया, मैं चेयर के माध्यम से मैं आपको अनुरोध करता हूं और ये मेरा डिमांड भी है कि आपने जितना एलिगेशन लगाया है, चेयरमैन ने रूलिंग देने के बावजूद भी आपने एलिगेशन लगाया, आपको ऑथेंटिकेशन करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि आप लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन है. आप मामूली आप सामान्य सदस्य नहीं है. यू आर द लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन. व्हेन यू स्पीक ऑन सर्टेन थिंग देयर इज अ सीरियस कॉनोटेशन. I would urge Honorable Leader of Opposition, because he is the Leader of Opposition, all the points he has made have serious repercussion. He must authenticate on all the allegations he has made.
I will authenticate right now. I have got it. You have to just let me authenticate.
Kindly, already you have taken 45 minutes. Kindly,
sir, let me authenticate, sir.
But kindly,
sir, he has said to authenticate. I will authenticate right now.
That you have to just give in advance, and that you have to.
No, sir, I will authenticate right now. I'm authenticating.
मैं आपसे नहीं मांग.
I will say it and then I will give it.
No, Mr. राहुल जी.
I will say it now and I will give it.
नहीं राहुल जी.
Have it here.
ये पार्लियामेंट्री अफेयर्स मिनिस्टर ने कहा, चेयर आपसे नहीं मांग रही अभी.
You ask for authentication now. You have to not give it to me.
आप रखिए अपनी सीट को. आपको
ऑथेंटिकेशन वो क्या समझे, इधर ऑथेंटिकेट करता हूँ, ऑथेंटिकेट नहीं है. ही शुड प्रोड्यूस द प्रॉपर डॉक्यूमेंट, प्रॉपर रिपोर्ट, अदरवाइज और साइन करके देना है, अदरवाइज ऑथेंटिकेट. स्पीकर
आप कंक्लूड करें.
सर, स्पीकर सर, मिनिस्टर हैज आस्क्ड मी.
फिर मिनिस्टर की बात नहीं करिए.
कंक्लूड तो करने दीजिए सर.
conclude करिए.
सर, मिनिस्टर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट्री अफेयर्स Minister of Parliamentary Affairs has asked me to authenticate my allegations. I have them written here. I am going to authenticate.
Oh, that is a procedure. मतलब
I will also give the procedure.
So then you have to follow that procedure.
Yes, but I want to.
Here you are only
No, but I want to authenticate.
only you just conclude your budget speech, because if you want to submit something, so please in future you can just according to your procedure, then you have to submit. Please.
Okay. Speaker sir, the evidence, sir, is in Department of Justice files that have been released in the United States. Hardeep Puri's name is in it. Anil Ambani's name is in it.
ऐसा नहीं बनेगा राहुल जी।
Sir, the evidence is
आपने
that government of India has refused to serve summons
Mr.
to Adani for last
Rahul, Mr. Rahul, you have made it promise, Mr. Rahul, you have made it promise to the chair. I will not mention the name of minister, but you are repeatedly just mentioning the name. How you can? You have made it promise. No. You have made it promise. Mr. K.C. Venugopal बैठिए. I am not allowing. K.C. Venugopal जी बैठिए. I am only talking to Rahul. So I am not allowing to you. If I have already, if you have made it promise to the chair, I am not going to mention the name of any minister, not the member, and repeatedly, if you are repeatedly, it means you are defying the even ruling of the chair also. Okay. कोई कार्रवाई नहीं करेंगे।
Speaker sir,
नहीं ये
let me speak sir.
जब एक बार आपने कहा मैं नाम नहीं लूंगा,
नाम नहीं लिया
उसके
सर।
बाद फिर ले रहे हैं।
नहीं लिया सर।
नहीं ये
नहीं लिया।
अपोजिशन का तरीका नहीं है। आपने शुरू में कहा कि मैंने व्यवस्था दी, मैंने पीठ से व्यवस्था दी, और आप इसके बाद कह रहे हैं। आप ये बताइए कि ये हाउस आज बजट स्पीच है जनरल, इसके पहले महामहिम राष्ट्रपति का अभिभाषण था। अगर महामहिम राष्ट्रपति के अभिभाषण पे क्या भाषण होता है, बजट पे आपकी क्या स्पीच होनी चाहिए, डिमांड फॉर ग्रांट्स में क्या स्पीच होनी चाहिए, आपको ये पता होना चाहिए कि आज जनरल बजट पे आपका क्या विषय होना चाहिए। आप महामहिम राष्ट्रपति के भाषण पे जो बोल सकते हैं वो वहां बोलना चाहिए, तो वहां नहीं बोले। अब आप बजट पे बोल रहे, कल डिमांड फॉर ग्रांट्स होगा किसी बिल पे, तो ये सदन अलग अलग जब विषयों पे होता है। नहीं आज आप बोलने तो दूंगा, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं कि बिना नियमों के आप बोलेंगे, या जब आपको एक बार चेयर से कोई रूलिंग होती है, आप देखिए इसी चेयर से रूलिंग हुई, सारे मेंबर्स कितने संतुष्ट होंगे। सभी अगर मेंबर से पार्लियामेंट के किसी भी पार्टी की बात किया जाए तो स्पीकर साहब के रात को 12 बजे तक सभी मेंबर्स को बुलाते हैं, और आपको बोलने का समय दिया जा रहा था, तब भी आप एक वोट ऑफ नो कॉन्फिडेंस ला रहे हैं। तो आज जिस तरीके से आप करेंगे, क्या बात आप करें, ऐसे थोड़ी तरीका होता है। आप बोलते रहेंगे, आप कंक्लूड सर। देखिए केशव वेणुगोपाल जी से जब राष्ट्रपति के भाषण पे भी स्पीकर साहब लगातार अलाउ कर रहे थे, आप बाहर जाके कहते थे स्पीकर साहब बोलने नहीं दे रहे, आज आप 40 मिनट से बोल रहे हैं, फिर कह देंगे आपको बोलने नहीं दिया जा रहा है, आप 45 मिनट बोल रहे हैं, फिर आप बोलने नहीं। चलिए खत्म करिए।
Speaker sir, I'm concluding. Speaker sir, I'm concluding now. I only started to say that because the minister said that I should authenticate. Now I have the papers to authenticate. I have it here. One second, please. I have the paper. Now I said to you, one second. I have the documents here. I said to you that I will authenticate, and I will also I will authenticate right now, and I will put it there on the table. But you're not allowing me to do it. Anyway, I understand that. I understand it. I understand you don't want me to authenticate here, you want me to authenticate there, that's not a problem. What I want to conclude with, sir, is we are heading into turbulent times and the nation has been sold. The nation has been sold out. Its data has been sold. Its farmers have been sold.
Already you have said. I think so.
Can I conclude? Sir, its farmers have been sold. In a turbulent world, all its software engineers have been sold out. Its small and medium businesses have been sold out. And most importantly, our forces and our energy security has been sold out. Thank you, Speaker.